Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I have another slime project to do with you guys. So I have a crazy slime video. I have 10 kinds of clay, glue, slime, and everything similar. And yeah, what I want to do is mix them all together. So before we do that, I just want to show you what I chose for today's project. So this is a metallic foam clay in red. Looks really good and the color is really nice. So as you can see, everything I chose is either pink or red. So yeah, anyway, number 1 is here. Let's get to our macaroon slime. You can see this is not regular macaroon slime since I put extra balls in here and glitter too, so I hope you like it. Two things, we have the fluffy slime, almost like silk clay but hardens with time. Number 4 and 5 has the same package, so I have slime over here. And matching pink. One, two, three, four, 5 types for now, and I have these little tubes with pearl paint and glitter glue. Intelligent clay in unicorn style. The second one is awesome. It's called Magic though, so let me show you. Magic Hatter flowing clay, almost like intelligent sand. So let's make a short overview. I think this last one is actually the reddest of them all. So the color is the brightest and I think I like that a lot. Hopefully it's a good effect. So let's see, we have first the shiny slime 2 times. After that we have tubes, so 3 and 4. Intelligent clay, so that's 5, 6. Fluffy slime and Mad Hatter, so that's 7 and 8. 9 and 10 is the glitter slime. And last but not least, the foam clay. Since I have so many, I won't be doing all of them together, but 2 at a time. So let's start by taking our first couple. So here we are finally. I love the result. I hope you guys do too. If you do, feel free to shoot me a thumbs up and subscribe. The comment section is open as always, so feel free to let me know what you did and how it turned out. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video, and until then, I wish you a wonderful day and a lot of fun. Bye!